Welcome to ASAP Systems. We're a full barcode inventory management solution for all types of organizations. Keep watching to learn how our system can help businesses within the food industry manage their inventory through batch and lot management and kit assembly. A state-of-the-art inventory management system is vital for any company hoping to succeed in the food industry. Raw materials and ingredients need to be stored carefully according to temperature requirements, as well as regulations regarding the food segregation. Perishable inventory must be rotated regularly by sell-by dates to prevent inventory loss. Most importantly, food assembly and lot management must be quick and accurate in order to secure repeat business and referrals. If you like this video so far, we'd appreciate it if you would give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's explore a few examples of how our system can help any culinary company find success. A web-based inventory solution can reduce pickup times by over 50% compared to manual methods. In addition, timely updates on upcoming expiry dates take all the guesswork and backtracking out of stock rotation. Finally, our system is capable of preemptively notifying staff of errors during batch or lot management. This makes incorrect orders and shipments a thing of the past. Nuovo Pasta Productions adopted our system and uses it to track inventory for their multiple warehouses to great effect. They can quickly sort through stock by using our move and receive features and prevent errors during picking. Warehouse managers then easily log the finances of completed orders. By properly rotating stock, they were able to avoid increased labor costs that amount to tens of thousands of dollars. We provide all our customers with simple barcode tracking solutions that's user-friendly for all employees, along with training and support. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more about how our system can help you and your business, visit our website at asapsystems.com, and please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Give us a try and schedule your one-on-one demo with us today. Invest in your future with ASAP Systems. And of course, stay tuned for more videos detailing the cutting-edge inventory and asset tracking technologies and benefits we offer.